WeCP lets you assess a Node developer on their hands-on expertise with Node. Let's see how it works. After you send a Node assessment to candidates, candidates open the assessment on the browser. On the left side of the window, you are given a problem statement where you have to create get route for a simple web server using Express. This server should send a response with a JSON object with the message hello world on port 3000. On the right side of your window, you can find the index file. Inside this file, you have been provided an incomplete code stub which you have to complete. Let's implement our code. I have completed this code with the response of hello world at the root route. Now we will run our code. Our web server has been started at port 3000. Let's see the response. You can see here we are getting JSON object with a hello world message as a response, which means our code is correct. Let's submit our code. Here you can see we have passed all the provided test cases. Hence, we have completed our Node assessment.